Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make the Adventure Time house in Minecraft. We'll begin by establishing the iconic treehouse base. First, locate a massive tree or construct a robust trunk from scratch. Then, build a broad, circular platform, ideally 25 blocks wide, using oak wood planks. This forms the essential foundation for Finn's adventurous abode, ensuring stability and a natural aesthetic. Next, let's construct the main levels of the treehouse. You'll want to build 3 distinct floors, each progressively smaller as you ascend. Mix oak wood and cobblestone to add visual interest and texture to the walls. Remember to include plenty of windows for natural light and a strong ladder system for easy movement between floors. Now, it's time to infuse the treehouse with iconic Adventure Time details. Don't forget Finn's trusty sword, a large telescope for stargazing, and a comfortable bed. Essential utilities like a crafting table, furnace, and chest are also crucial. Finally, cap off the top level with a vibrant red roof, perfectly capturing the spirit of the beloved cartoon. To complete your Adventure Time house, focus on the surrounding landscape. Plant lush foliage, colorful flowers, and custom-built trees to create a vibrant, natural setting. Consider adding a small pond or a winding stream nearby for an extra touch of realism. Finally, strategically place torches or glowstone to ensure your amazing creation is well lit and visible, even after dark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.